My name is Professor Simon Mahungu. I'm a professor of food science at Egerton University, where I have taught for the last 34 years. And I'm currently a member of Egerton University Retirement Benefit Scheme. I'm a trustee who chairs the investment committee. This scheme was started in 1966 by the sponsor Egerton College then. I'm here to train on better management of schemes, especially governance, auditing, and looking at environmental, social, and governance issues for the betterment of our members. As I've said, this is one of the best workshops I've attended on pension schemes, for the simple fact that the trainers and the participants are getting enough time to interact and sort their challenges. This is a training from Finnet Institute that I will recommend to all members of the trustee body, and I've already sent their training program to my scheme so that they can arrange to have other members participate in the various training options, and also train the secretariat, because they have a specific course tailored for secretariat sometime in next month or the other months in Kisumu. Well, I'm planning to attend as many training with the Finnet Institute as possible, according to what our scheme can allow. But also I will encourage members of the scheme trustees at Egerton University Retirement Benefit Scheme to attend. Remember that our scheme is composed of Kisii University, Egerton University, Laikipia University, Chuka University, and Tharaka University College. So we have a big pool of not only trustees who can be trained, even some members of the scheme who may be trained depending on the requirements. My key takeaways from this training: 3 governance issues to do with the environment, social and governance issues, and audit activities for the schemes. It's extremely important for us to make not only good profit, but profit that takes care of our environment, takes care of social impact, and also follows good governance. Well, what I liked the most about the workshop is really I liked everything about the workshop. However, as I said, the interaction between the trainers and the participant was extremely special. Also, the organizers were passionate about the work they are doing. They went out of their way to make sure that the participants are comfortable. So that was great.